Want an easy Halloween makeup look? Well, I got you covered. Let's work on this deer makeup tutorial together. You want a matte foundation. This is the Cover FX Power Play, and I love it because it stays in place and it doesn't budge. And then MAC Pro Longwear Concealer because it's full coverage and it really does stay in place. Then you're going to want to go in with a light foundation or concealer and follow what I'm doing here. Now for the contour, you want to go on your cheekbone or even higher than your actual cheekbone. And just follow what I'm doing because this is going to help create the look. Go over it with a powder contour or a bronzer. This will create more definition. Make sure to set it in place where the lightest shades are and then dust that off. Now for your brows, you want them super thick. I'm going with a chocolate brown because it's a little bit softer. Now you want to create the eyes, so you want to elongate the inner corner and then follow what I'm doing here and then just gently line the top. Now you really want to coat your lower lash line. Here I'm using the Kosas mascara. I love it, and just really thicken them up. Go in with a very thick pair of lashes and then go over the liner with a brown contour shade or shadow. And now you're going to contour your nose and follow what I'm doing because this is going to create the whole look. You don't want to go all the way to the edge at the tip of the nose. Leave a little bit out. So if you have a light brown eyeliner, you can use that, but this is MAC Stripped Down Lip Liner. It's great, and you can actually use that to create the nose part, the shape of it, and then go over it with a little black eyeliner for some definition. Now for the dots, a light concealer. I'm going back in with MAC Pro Longwear or any white pencil, cream colored pencil will do. Does not have to be perfect, just put them on. And you're done. But maybe you want to take it one step further like I do. Get a highlighter shade and put it in all of the areas that I'm showing here to make it pop even further. And we're done. I hope you like this tutorial. Follow me for more tips and looks for Halloween, and give me a comment if you liked it.